What's up? Welcome naman sa panibagong nating video. At ngayong episode na itong 105 or 06, ay gagawin. Ba't nagkaroon ng bubble dito? Trips. Ay gagawa tayo ng ating army. Tama ba ako? Tama ba ako, Kali? Tama ba ako? Good. So maghahanap tayo ng army. Saan ka boboto? Kay Boss L o kay sa what the? Ang dami nga to din. Wait lang, bago mo na yun. Saan ka boboto? Boss L or si Beans? Si Beans Dexter. Si Beans Dexter? Ano itong mga aso to, ha? Ano to? Bang ginagawa? Beans Dexter, Okay, yung dalawa, kailangan yung mamatay. Ow! Kill that army! Nire-raid tayo ng army. I need help. Ikaw, army ka? Army ka ba? Kay Boss L ka o kay Beans Dexter? Kay Boss L, sige. You are now in my army. Paki-help naman dito. Thank you. Wala akong paki kahit bata. Aray. I need help, guys. Nire-raid tayo. Tulong, nire-raid tayo ng mga, Beans Dexter army. Aray, ow. Sino ka? Good. Ano tayo? Ispiya ko pala, te. Ba't ngayon ka lang dumating? Ispiya kay ano mo ba yun? Lang. So, ikaw. Sorry, aray. I have meat. You want some? You want some meat? Give you meat. No. Okay, you need to that. Yeah, ow. I don't care if some child is I don't care. We're raiding. I need my horse. Where's Josh? Josh, come here. I need your help. And you, Kali. I need your help. Dogs hates cats. And konnichiwa, no? Sinaulit to. My pet guard. I remember. Hi, my pet guard. I need your help. Let's go. Good. Let's go, Kali. Let's kill we raiding the Beans Dexter army. At saka nasa isang pusa. Sabi daw army daw siya. Boss L army daw siya. Kill you, You're raiding my country, you know? You're raiding my country. Get out, please. Raid! Kill them all! No! I need... I slain. Double kill. I need carrots. Hello, Hey you, Josh, help me here. Hey look, may mga army tayo rin, Hey mga army ko, kamusta? Kamusta mga army? I need wheat. Come here mga army. Ayaw nyo? Sino yung army sa inyo? Ikaw army, kulay black? Okay. Your pass, man. I need to leave. Go. Okay, so... What? Sorry. Saan ka pa nabuhay na? Let's... Yeah. Ito pala, army din ito. Wait lang. May akuhan kita. Nasa si Josh? Josh! Bitch. Josh! Where's Josh? I can see. Ayun. Josh! Josh, come on. What are you doing? Let's go. Alright, let's go. Okay, kill the Vince Dexter army. Yeah. We need more army to kill these doggies and things. Hey you, what are you doing there? Wait, are you army? Yeah, it's an army. It's our Vince Dexter army. I need him. I'm sorry. No! Okay. Hey look. The betrayal llama. You're betrayed my army. Okay, I think there's gun now. I think I kill now. Okay, army ka ba? Army ka? Oh, good. Ano? Army ka? Oh, sige, army daw siya. Army ka ni ano? Ni... Okay. Okay, so, ano to? Strange cave. Hey, look, water. So many codes. Let's get out of here before it's too late. So, yeah. Hey, look, pee-pee poo-poo. There's pee-pee poo-poo. Hello, pee-pee poo-poo. You need carrots? Come on. I give you a carrot. Hey, Piggy. Paano ka nakalis, Piggy? Hello, si Pee-pee poo-poo. Uy, may nak... Ito si Pee-pee poo-poo. Army ka ba, Pee-pee poo-poo? Ah, di ka pa si Pee-pee poo-poo. Si Piggy tree ka. Ah, sorry. O si Pee-pee poo-poo. Okay, balik dito sa tali. Tataliin ko ang ulo niya. Sorry, Piggy. Wala kang narinig. Wala kang nakita. Kapag may nakita ka. Oh, ginagawa mo dyan. Bark. Okay. Hey, Sally, come on. I need... Okay. So, there. Go and Sally. Sorry. Sally, let's go. Let's go some sleep. Oh, I create a bucket of shameless. Wrong way. Then go. I'm gonna sleep with my bucket of shameless. Hey, yeah. So there we go. Hey, what is your task? Trade. Oh, die. I need this though. Thank you. Oh. This. Disgusting. Kulay green ng army namin. Wait. Ay tama, kulay green ng army namin dahil kami ay isang alien. Dahil Team Boss L malakas lang na. No. Team Boss L strong. Boss Ellen Army is the best army. Wait, where's Sally? Okay. Sally, we gonna request if he are Boss L Army or not. If not, kill him. Okay. You villager. What is your favorite? Boss L Army. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Ah! Wait a minute. No. Betrayal. Someone betrayed me. Are you... Oh, it's not. Who's betrayed me? I think someone betrayed me. Are you? My pet. You betrayed me. Now suffer. Grabe. Okay. Now, okay. Hey, you, villager. Are you Boss L Army? Yes, good. Okay. I request all like here is he is all so I need cat. I need more army for Boss L. I need to support the Ellen army and I need to support my army too. Okay, so I need to teach this and I need more army. Right, Sally? Right, Sally? Good. Okay, so we got some salmon or fish or tropical fish or salmon or tinging. Basta, ano ba? Tagal naman. Ayun! So itabi ko muna yung bucket of shrimp. Dahil di naman natin yung kailangan. Or kailangan din natin itong bucket of shrimp. So, yung paggawa. So, ayan. Oh, Sally! Get over there! Get out there! Hey, Sally! 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 Get up! Get up! Get up! Wait. Sally? Are you kidding me? There's some salmon. You need... Oh, no. Sally! Come! Faster! Faster! Sally, you're gonna die! Sally! Go, Sally! Sally! Come, teleport! Alright, good. Need you to feed. Okay, go. You're okay now. Don't jump, come on. Don't jump. You're gonna die, man. Oh, I need to feed. I need to